Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to sync Google Drive with Android phone. Here are the steps to sync your Google Drive with your Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone using your passcode, fingerprint, or pattern. Ensure you're connected to the internet. Use Wi Fi or mobile data for syncing. Open the Settings app. This is the gear icon usually found on your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down and tap Accounts or Users and Accounts, depending on your phone model. Tap your Google account. Choose the account linked to your Google Drive. Tap Account Sync. This shows a list of Google services that can sync. Ensure Drive or Google Drive is enabled. Toggle the switch on to allow the syncing. Go back to the home screen. Once the Drive Sync option is enabled, open the Google Drive app. If not installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Sign in with your Google account. Use the same one you've enabled for syncing. Tap the profile icon on the top right. Make sure you're logged in into the correct account. Upload a file to test sync. Tap the plus button. Upload to try syncing a file to Google Drive. Check Drive sync status. Pull down in the app to refresh. Or visit drive.google.com from another device to confirm sync process. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.